Top of the morning, guys. Top of the morning, my peeps. You know, this morning is a beautiful morning. The sun is out. I'm always late, you know. I don't know why I'm always late. Ever since I stopped using the boat, I start to fall back on time. Yeah, but yeah. Today I just decided to go over the causeway. You know, it's a long while I've been over the causeway. I don't even know what is going to happen at the causeway because you know I don't like fishing at causeway more than so again because you have too much net, man, too much net in the water, and you know you have the cast net, man, them, and boy, hard to catch a fish now at causeway, you know. But I've decided this morning to take a trip over there, you know. I'm going to take a trip over the causeway and I'm heading there now. Right, I'm on Marcus Garvey Drive now, going around to hit the toll road. But once I hit the toll road, you know, I can't come off again until I go through the toll. Yeah, I can't. Well, yeah, once I hit the toll road, I can't go anywhere again. I can't turn back, so I have to head to Causeway. So that's where I'm heading right now. Right, I'm going to go on the bridge and see if I can catch like some live baits. I don't think I'm going to get any shrimp this time, so I'm going to see if I can get some live baits and set out, see if I can catch a tarpon or a jack, or I'm going to cast some artificial lure, or I'm going to cast some artificial shrimp or so to see if I can catch like a snook. I don't even know if any snook around here because them pressure the water so much, may I tell you. Because you just, well, I mean, I don't know. Back in the days, back in the early 2000s, like 2000, 2001, 2002, I could have catch a whole heap. I could go to Causeway and catch a snook, you know. I'm almost sure I could have put on my pot and go to Causeway and just cast out on that bridge right there, so. And in the early morning, and you hook up one, if it's even one nice size snook, big snook. You know, but those were the days, you know. Now you can't do that again at Causeway. As you go there, you see a whole heap of cast net, man, and a whole heap of net, man. You can't get no space. You can't. Just pure activity at the bridge. You can't do nothing at all. So I'm gonna see what now, you know. I'm on the toll road now, so when I reach, then I set up myself and know what I'm gonna do. Alright, so come back. Fish on. See that now, guys. I reached Causeway now, you know. Yeah, man. I just see my friend over there so casting some bait, so I just beg him some of the chapong. See him there? With the cast net. Alright, so the water look terrible. The water don't look good at all. So I get the bait for him, so I go on Matal and go see if I can catch some snapper. Try for the snapper them again one more time. Right, so but I go and hang on top of the bridge here to see where I go on first. And then head over to Matalan. So but I don't know how to go to the boat. If anything, you see what is happening, alright? So come back. I'm back at the regular casting spot here, guys. So I'm using the red tail shrimp, red tail clear shrimp, Kevin shrimp and emerald and everything. So I'm making 2 casts right here to see if I can hook up on a snook. Alright, so you know. I remember one time I come right here, so I book about a whole heap of snook. Small size snook, but I did release some of them and bring some of them, you know, the bigger ones. The water look dirty though, but you know, snook love them kind of color water here. See, I cast it man a while ago, I cast it right, it's not too long, so you know, no fish not got right here, so right now. Fish them run me already. Alright, so I'm gonna make about 5 more casts and then I'll leave this area and go somewhere else. Try something else. I'll try another species. About 6 casts. Say 6 1 now. Alright, I'm gonna leave it so now. I'm gonna try one more against this column foot here so. I'm gonna come against the current and see current going down. Let me see. Come against the current. Take them down that side. Down that side. Alright, so nothing is here, so alright, so nothing is here, so moving on again. Moving on again, moving on. Yes. So go over Matalan and try out the snapper them now this time. Alright, so over Matalan now. Alright guys, so I leave causeway now. See, I leave out this morning early, come to causeway, hoping to catch something. When I go over there, when I reach over there, the water was looking terrible, wasn't looking good at all, and nobody catching anything. Yeah, some guys up there using live shrimp, but they didn't pick up anything at the time. So I leave and I went over to Matalan to see if I can catch some of those snappers. But boy, the snappers they're still not biting. I'm not using any live shrimp on them, so you know, maybe if I use some small live shrimp, the big live shrimp won't work, you know. It's like the 1-2 inch and the 2.5 inch live shrimp. Those would work good, you know. Right, so yeah, like the 1 inch and the 2 inch live shrimp, those would work. But like the bigger ones, the snapper won't pick up the bigger shrimp, you know. So, but I never have none of those, so maybe that's why, you know, the luck, we never have any luck with the snappers this morning. So you see, it's not every day. As a matter of fact, a good while now, when I go to causeway, I can't catch anything. Because causeway is just, boy, I don't know what to say about causeway. You can't find it overfish and a lot of netman and all of them stuff. So you know, you can't really go to causeway and say, boy, you're sure you're going to catch something. You're not sure, right? If you're not using live shrimp on top of the bridge, your chance is very limited. You can't use artificial, like I was using artificial when I just reached here and nothing was biting, nothing on artificial. Then I got two chapong, some chapong from my friend bait, and I go over to Matalan trying it, nothing either. So you see, causeway is just no. And you know, so one of the main reasons why I come over this side anyhow is to look at my boat, you know, because I did paint the boat and stuff. But I went to look at the boat a while ago. The boat was messy, a whole lot of stuff them threw down on the boat, and them dirty it up and them climb inside with them muddy foot and them mud up the boat and stuff. So I have to go, when I move it, I go clean it out and wash it out and stuff like that. So that's basically what is happening. But anyhow, it was a nice day still, even though I didn't catch anything. So I enjoy myself just to be on the seaside, you know, looking at the water, watching them people trying to catch fish, and then I go and look at the boat and everything. So thanks for watching, alright? And not every day is a catching day, alright? Every day is a fishing day, but not a catching day. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, fish on.